Hey guys, it's Funky123 here with Dessa, my snowflake puppy, and well, I just went skiing, and I'm alone in the room, and we also ate. We went to McDonald's because that was the only one that was open because there's like a giant snowstorm out there. It doesn't look like it, but there really is. And at the end, it got super windy, so I came back, and well, yeah. And I'm gonna show you the Webkinz I bring now because I didn't get a chance to show you before. So yeah. Okay, so I brought Dessa, of course. I already showed you him. I brought Artie. I brought Snowflake. I brought Glenn. I brought Faith. I brought Josh and May because I don't play with them a lot and stuff. I just got this Webkinz vanilla. I brought Vista, my cheeky dog. I brought Mackenzie and Flash. I brought Vesa. I brought Lightning. I brought, what's her name? Sylvie. And I brought Mocha. Yeah, that's pretty much it. But, I brought some of the Webkinz I don't play with that much, and I brought wintry ones, like her, like a Vesa and stuff, like Huskies, and a bunch of that stuff. Well, yeah, I'm probably going to make a bunch more videos. Who was I using? Oh, yeah, Dessa. Yeah, I'm probably going to make a bunch more videos, and I'm probably going to get some more Webkinz here, and when I get back home, I'm going to do a full Bristol Mountain haul, because that's where I am, in New York. Not New York City, New York State. And, yeah, I'm going to do a full haul and stuff. So, yeah, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Bye! Woo! Ow.